State ama chaukhatpa haibasida state aduda leiriba miyamgi punsirol masa mau fana leiba amadi hena wangba thakta hingba mathau tai haina Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan na phongdokrai wafam asing ase Anthropology Day gi thoram ama Manipur University gi Department of Anthropology na sinduna World Anthropology Post Congress 2023 Anthropology in Practice Health Culture and Security haiba hiramda international seminar ama Manipur University gi Centenary Hall da pangtokhiba thoram amada Minister Dr. Ranjan na phongdokhibani Thoram aduda Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Danamanjuri University gi Vice Chancellor Professor N. Ras Mohan, Anthropological Society of Manipur gi President Professor K. Sarachandra, Allahabad University gi Department of Anthropology gi Hanagi Head of Department Professor Bijoy S. Sahay Amadi, MU gi Professor N. Jibon Kumar Singh na mathangsina Chief Guest President Amadi Guest of Honor oina sarukyakhei. Thoram aduga mari lenina Minister Ranjan hai illegal immigrant kaya ama lamdam asa changsilakpa aduga amaromda lamdam asigi miyam marakta angang pokpaki chang hanthabana maram oiraga lamdam asida demographic imbalance ama lakhalei miyamgi security da amadi miyamgi yaifa tharang singda singnaba mo ihalakle State asigi miyam marakta kidney nabagi chang wangkhalakpa kya thengnari lonana infertility ki changsu ka hena wangkhalakliba asi aikhoi puna nainaba mathau tai haike
For us politicians, when we speak in such gathering who are the experts in that particular field, I think it's always a challenge for us. So the day before yesterday, I asked Professor Jibon if he can give me some points how to speak, because it's such a vast subject and a very, very interesting subject. Anthropology, because many of my friends, even after taking a career in medicine or engineering, they change the subject, take up anthropology, and then appear for the UPSC and get through. I believe, is such an interesting subject it is. And while I was just discussing, it is very vast. I don't think it has a boundary, as was rightly said. Maybe one day we will be going to the moon and studying about anthropology there.